Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can search Discord servers on mobile. So in order to do this, basically if you want to find new Discord servers, new communities over on the mobile app, then here's how you can do that. Well, actually we are not going to use the mobile app, however we are going to use an app on our phone called Safari or Google Chrome, so just head over to your internet browser, just like this. And what you basically need to do then is go into the search bar, and what you need to do is you need to basically type this in. So type in HTTPS and then basically all of this, and make sure to include /login, that's really important. And basically once you have headed over to this link, you will most likely get to this page right here, or you will get to a page where you need to log in to your Discord account. So basically just log into your Discord account that you've already logged into over on the mobile app, so just log in, and basically once you've done that you will get to this page. And now once you're here at this page, what you need to do is click on those three little dots at the top left corner of your screen, and then right here you will see a new button pop up. And basically we are right now over on the desktop version of Discord, but on our mobile device. So you'll see this new basically button pop up where you can click on it, says compass icon, and then right here you will literally be able to find new communities and new Discord servers. So I can type in whatever I want. So let's say I type the keyword funny, then I will literally right now get over 279 communities with the keyword funny, and that's a keyword funny, and that's basically how you can find communities. What you then simply do is just find the communities you like to join, you can click on them, and that's basically all you need to do. So it's really easy. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.